tell these are not my normal co-workers. These are the ladies of the Miami Dolphins cheerleading squad. We have Megan and we have Janine. Ladies, now there's a big game in Pittsburgh. So why did they leave the two most beautiful cheerleaders here? I know you guys got to hold it down here. What's happening? I like that. Now you guys are going to be involved in the show that's going to be going on today, right? In what way? What are you guys going to do? So how many squads are actually going to be here? And how many girls are there? 8 of you guys. Okay, and you got your regular routines that you do on field, or is it something special? Okay. Okay, well great. I know you guys got to move on. I thank you so much for coming over to the Hot 105 side. Let's all wave goodbye. Thank you. Thank you, ladies.